Everyone, this is Mrs. E, and today I am going to walk you through how to do our lessons. So first, I'm going to be on my Schoology page, and I'm going to click the corner S Schoology to make me go home. You're going to be able to see all of your classes. Mine looks a little different than yours because I'm a teacher. So I am going to find my music class. You will only have one music. It will have the notes on the side and it will say music. Then I'm going to click my lesson 1 because this is our first music lesson. Now it's going to take you to something called Nearpod. You don't need to leave your screen. You're exactly where you need to be. All you have to do is type in your name. So my name is Mrs. E, so I'm going to put in Mrs. E. Under the optional first name or other optional name, you're going to put your class. If I'm not sure what my class is, all I have to do is look in my corner, and this says KM, so I would do KM. If you were in first grade and your teacher was Mrs. Lewis, you would be putting in 1L, your grade, and then your teacher's last name, the first letter of their last name. Then all I need to click is Join Lesson. It's going to bring me to our welcome page with a video. And then it's going to have a bunch of different things that we can do. So the first one is going to be a question. It says, what are your favorite things right now? Movies, books, games, whatever you would like to share. And then you would put in your answer. I really like Star Wars, so I could put in Star Wars. Then I'm going to click Enter. Before I move on, I'm going to click Submit. Make sure you click Submit. It also has a record audio option. If you're being really frustrated by having to type, you can put in a recording. So I'm going to click Submit, and then it's going to take me to a quiz. Who is your music teacher? Is it Mr. Incredible, Mrs. E, Frosting, or Santa? I'm sorry to tell you that Santa is not your music teacher. Mrs. E is your music teacher. Make sure you click Submit. It does not work if you don't click Submit. And then I'm going to click Next. And then I have to match Frosting, Noodle, and Catfish to pictures of themselves. Now right now this is kind of in my way, so I'm going to click on this little carrot, this little arrow. Oops. Over here. Noodle to noodle, and then catfish to catfish, and then noodle, frosting to frosting. Woohoo! Then I'm going to continue. It says draw your favorite animal. You do not have to be an artist here. It doesn't have to be perfect. But I'm going to take my mouse and draw a little kitten. Maybe I write cat on the bottom. If you want to type that instead, on the very bottom, you can actually do that. it says cat. Then I'm going to click submit. You have to click submit. Is there anything else that you would like me to know? I am awesome. Don't put I am awesome as your answer. I really want you, whatever you really want me to know. What do I need to know about you? I want to get to know you. And then click submit. And then you're done for the day. So today we are going to go through our Nearpod, and we're going to make sure that we know how to get into the Nearpod, how to do all of our questions. And then next time I see you, we will read a book and we will start talking about reviewing music. Have a great day. I'm so excited to see you guys soon. Bye!